Told you guys you wouldn't have to wait long. I wanted to come back with today's carry. I don't know how many of you are going to recognize that logo, but it's a Sitivien. It's basically an Amazon knife. This one's the 118, and it is awesome. It's got micro milling on the G10. It's got the pivot collar. D2, crazy smooth, and I mean crazy smooth on bearings. And this is $28 on Amazon. And right now they have a 20% off coupon. They always have some type of coupon or promo that they're running, but right now it's 20%. I have an embarrassing amount of the Sitivien knives. I'm kind of an addict. That's just some of them. And they're awesome. This thing is like $22, next day shipping. It does have, while I'm a huge fan of deep carry, it does have a pretty janky pocket clip. I was sitting in a lawn chair and this got bent out, so I had to bend it back. And yeah, it's pretty ugly. But other than the pocket clip, it's even got the cutout there so that when you flick it, you got a landing spot for your finger. You don't see that on too many $20 production knives from China. Nice thin blade. Actually really thin, really slicey. Decent jimping. Now I will say the first one I got of these, I could not take it apart and degrease it and oil it. It was just a free spinning pivot, and no matter what I did, I couldn't fix it. So I sent it back to Amazon. Within a day, they sent me a replacement. This one's absolutely perfect because it's reversible pocket clip. This is here, a little bit ugly. I really like the texture. Nothing that's going to mess up your pocket, but it really feels nice. So I'm trying to get that. It's just light switch or push button. It just flies out. And it really just feels and behaves and acts and looks like a much more expensive knife. So if you've got the sickness and you like to get new knives every day, even if they're not expensive, go to Amazon. Any of the Sitivien knives are great. I'm going to do my best to show all the ones that I have. But this one, the ST118, I want to say like 22, 23 bucks with the promotion right now. I think 3.3 inch. Definitely not heavy at all. Let me know what you think. All right, see you guys tomorrow with another one.